Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to properly use the VinTel Module and App to quickly and easily understand the mechanical challenges that an automobile may face. The VinTel Module was designed to be plug and play and gather information from the vehicle with no user interaction or mechanical understanding of the vehicle. First, the vehicle must be running, or for hybrids and EVs, in the on or run position. Next, the VinTel Module is plugged into the OBD port, generally located under the dashboard near the steering column. Finally, open the app and the module will communicate with the app via Bluetooth Low Energy to gather the vehicle data and send it to the VinTel cloud where the Diagnostic Status Report is created. Let's watch the entire process live. When the module is plugged into the OBD port, all three LEDs will briefly light up with the blue LED last. The red LED flashes while a VIN-specific testing payload is built, and the green LED flashes while that diagnostic payload is running. Once the vehicle data is collected, the blue and green LEDs will flash as the data is being sent to the VinTel app. This takes less than a second. Once the green LED stops flashing and goes solid, the module can safely be removed. The vehicle data is then sent to the VinTel cloud, where the VinTel Diagnostic Status Report is generated and sent back to the phone and to the VinTel web-based portal where it can quickly be viewed. Thank you for watching this VinTel tutorial. If you have any questions or would like to see a demonstration, contact a VinTel sales representative at 877-846-5649 or visit us on our website at govintel.com.